Yeah, hi Thomas, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. Okay, so basically there's a date on there. And I'll tell you exactly what I've done. Okay, so what I've basically done is, yeah, I couldn't find the exact problem with this, but I've changed the whole top part of this mech. Okay, this is pretty much a new mech on top here. This whole top. It's a 1255, same as what you sent me. But I've just changed the whole top because I just keep getting errors all the time, and I've got a funny feeling it was your micro switch that had gone. And I'll be honest with you, it's just easier. I've got a spare part, so I've just done it. There's nothing extra there. The board was also a little bit funny as well. Had dry joints on it, so I've changed the board as well. So you'll find you got another board there. So yeah, basically it's all working now. I put a new laser in there for you, and so yeah, so the ribbon cable it's not a brand new ribbon cable because you can't get them, but it's a reconditioned part. It's as good as new basically. So yeah, in all honesty, you shouldn't get any issues with this now. So I'll just turn that up and you can see it. I'll just go back on the track there. You can listen there. It starts off. Yeah, so basically that's all done for you, and I'll send that out priority delivery for you, so you get that back ASAP. Obviously you got your 6-month warranty on that, and yeah, any problems, just give me a shout or an email. But hopefully this should last you for many years to come yet. So hopefully you're happy with that, and thank you very much for your business. We do appreciate it, and you have a great day, and yeah, let us know when you get your part. Thanks very much.